Are you struggling to score Band 7 or higher in the IELTS Academic Writing section? Let me tell you a secret. Your vocabulary could be the key to unlocking your dream score. In this video, we're diving into how to boost your word power and impress the IELTS examiner with your lexical range. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why vocabulary matters. In the IELTS Writing Band Descriptors, lexical resource accounts for 25% of your score. This means the examiner is evaluating your range of vocabulary, your ability to use it correctly and naturally, and how well you avoid repetition by using synonyms. For example, a Band 6 essay might rely on basic words like good or important, while a Band 7 essay uses more precise terms like beneficial, significant, or essential. See the difference? To achieve Band 7+, focus on three main types of vocabulary. Academic connectors. These help you link ideas smoothly. For example, instead of saying and, use moreover, or furthermore. Instead of but, use however, or on the other hand. Topic-specific vocabulary. Let's say the essay topic is about the environment. Use words like sustainability, renewable resources, or carbon emissions. Synonyms. Avoid repeating the same word. For instance, instead of writing important multiple times, use crucial, vital, or significant. But remember, use synonyms correctly. Some words don't fit in every context. Using advanced vocabulary doesn't mean cramming in fancy words everywhere. It's about using them naturally and accurately. For example, the graph demonstrates a humongous increase in sales. This is incorrect. While the sentence, the graph shows a significant increase in sales, is a better representation. Humongous might sound advanced, but it's informal and doesn't fit academic writing. Instead, focus on words like substantial, moderate, or minimal when describing trends. Now, let's see how to use Band 7+ vocabulary in both writing tasks. Let us begin with Task 1. When describing trends, use verbs like increase, decline, fluctuate, or stabilize. Use adjectives like steady, dramatic, or gradual. For example, instead of sales went up, write, sales experienced a steady increase. For Task 2, when writing essays, use precise words to express opinions. Instead of, I think technology is good, write, I believe technology plays a vital role in modern society. This not only sounds better, but also demonstrates a more advanced command of language. Building vocabulary takes practice. But here are some practical tips to get started. Use vocabulary apps like Anki or Quizlet to learn new words daily. Read widely. Academic articles, newspapers, or even IELTS sample answers. Create a personalized vocabulary list. Write down new words, their meanings, and sample sentences. Review them regularly. Practice collocations. Learn how words naturally go together, like make a decision or conduct research. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on words that you'll actually use in your essays. Improving your vocabulary is one of the most effective ways to boost your IELTS writing score. With consistent practice and the right approach, you'll not only reach Band 7, but go even higher. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more IELTS tips. And don't forget to download our free Band 7+ vocabulary cheat sheet. Link in the description. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and I'll see you in the next video.